Your day just ended. How did you do? Well, it's time to go through your plan. Review each individual one-time entry. A simple click allows you to complete those items and get a little boost of praise. Feel proud of what you accomplished. If anything needs to get rescheduled, move it to another day or even unschedule it if you're not sure when you're going to work on it. Next, it's time to reflect. Click the little journal icon to do your daily reflection. Did you win the day? Winning the day is just simply following and executing your plan. Did you do most of what you intended to do? If you did, give yourself the win. Now, did anything important happen today, like a landmark event or maybe a deep thought? Go ahead and remember the day. Each day that you remember will appear in your journal section, so you can quickly review these very important days. Next, capture your journal. This can be as simple as what went well, what could have gone better, to a very detailed explanation of everything that happened to you today. The more information you capture, the more detail that you'll have to reflect on later. Now, I'm also a big fan of text-to-speech. This allows you to be very authentic and capture a lot of information very, very quickly. The very last step, look ahead to tomorrow. What does tomorrow's plan look like? This is going to help you wind down your current day knowing that you got another day to tackle tomorrow. So go ahead and try it out. Schedule your evening routine 1 hour before you go to bed. Do your daily reflection, complete your items. Did you win the day? Your journal. It should only take about 5 or 10 minutes. It's not very long at all. And then that takes us to the final step of the DayMaster process, the long-term review.